Welcome to this heartfelt journey. Today we are building something beautiful, a romantic, interactive birthday greeting. It's more than just code, it's emotion, design, and celebration. Crafted with HTML, Tailwind CSS, and 3. Let's dive in. This project is a 5-step interactive web page. Each step unfolds a story, a feeling, a memory. It opens with a soft birthday greeting, then transitions to a heartfelt wish, a reflection, and finally a celebration. In the background, 3D hearts gently float using 3JS, adding a magical, dreamy vibe. The structure is simple but powerful. At the core is a single HTML file. Inside the body, a div with the ID app. This contains a 3D canvas, a sleek progress bar, and 5 steps hidden and revealed one after another. Each dot step contains a message. Buttons below each step let the viewer continue the journey. We use Tailwind CSS to bring elegance, glass morphism cards, gradient text, shadowed buttons, all crafted with care. CSS handles the heartbeat effect for the heart icon, smooth transitions, and the confetti at the end, the magic in the background. It's all thanks to 3JS. A heart shape is drawn using Bezier curves. It's extruded into a 3D geometry and then duplicated, floated, rotated to create a sea of gently floating hearts. To make it all feel alive, we use GSAP. Each step fades in and out smoothly. The 3D hearts drift with subtle randomness. It's soft, intentional, and emotional. When the final button is clicked, canvas confetti launches a burst of joy. The hearts float away one last time. It's a celebration, a digital hug, a little surprise just for them. You can download the full project from Github. No frameworks, no build tools, just one file. Open it in any browser and it works. To personalize it, change the messages, add your own image, customize colors and timings. Want to share it? Just upload the HTML to GitHub pages, send the link to someone you love, surprise them, brighten their day. This isn't just a web page, it's a moment, a memory, a gift built with code. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey, and remember, sometimes the simplest projects can speak the loudest. Code with heart and share it with someone who matters. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative coding projects.